Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change the sending and receiving voice chat sounds in Steam. First, you want to go to YouTube, and you can use any sound file or video you want. But I'm gonna use the Nokia remix sound, the first one. I like it. So you want to go to the Nokia remix. You can take the link and then copy it and then close the browser. I'm gonna go back in the browser, then go into Media Converter. You don't have to close the browser. So MediaConverter.org, I'll paste the link there. And then you want to go convert a video, and paste it, and then hit next step. And change this to a WAV sound file type. Name the output voice underscore dialing. Then hit next step. Then hit next step. Then let it download. This will be very fast. Let it convert, and then hit download now. Save it. When it's done, when it's done downloading, click open folder, and bring you straight to here. Then you want to open up my computer, then go see, and then go program files. If you get this, then just hit show contents of this folder. Then you want to go find Steam applications, sorry, not Steam applications, resource. Then when you see voice ringing and voice dialing, you want to replace voice dialing with voice dialing. Okay, hit that. And then voice ringing, you want to go find something else for it. So I'm going to search up anything in YouTube that I think is good for dialing. Go back into YouTube. Then I'm going to type in pick up the phone ring tone. And look around until you see the one you want. It's there somewhere. That's what I want. There we go. Then you wanna go back into this, and you wanna go to the same site, MediaConverter.com or org, sorry. Then you want to change this again and do the exact same steps. So that's wave. Now change this to voice underscore ringing. So I forgot there. Hit next step, then hit next step, and let it re-download and all that stuff. Click download now. Save it. Then you want to go open folder if you closed it, and then or just go back to it. Voice ringing to here. Hit yes. Then exit Steam. Reopen Steam. And then when it reopens, get one of your friends to basically call you, and then you call them, or you call them and then ask them to call you back. You don't have to have voice just to test it, or a mic. So let it connect. After it loads, click on one of your friends. It usually pops up here. If it doesn't, then go on your friends and do it. Mine will eventually. I guess mine didn't. I'm gonna go in a steel turd, and then I'm gonna call him. Yeah. Yeah, see? Then I'm gonna ask him to call me. He's probably AFK. Yeah, he just called. Yeah. So that's how you do it. That's all you have to do it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. You can get good quality gaming servers at dustgaming.com. I will repeat that, dustgaming.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.